Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Dilip Kumar. Today in this video, let's talk about very interesting. It's very poisonous plant, and yet it is very beautiful. Flowers. This is called Nerium oleander, and also it's commonly known as the Nerium or Oleander. Is an evergreen woody shrub native to the Mediterranean region, which is widely used as an ornamental plant in the tropical region, subtropical region, and also warm temperate areas worldwide. It belongs to the family of Aphocinaceae, and its common names are oleander, French willow, pride of Ceylon, rose bay, rose laurel, sweet oleander. It's reported as a native. It's considered as an invasive plant in South Africa, Hawaii, Australia, and New Zealand. It grows in forests, shrublands, along river banks and creeks. In the vicinity of springs in arid areas, it can be found from sea level up to an height of about 2000 meters above sea level. It commonly grows. This plant propagates by seeds and also can propagate through cuttings like hibiscus. It grows to an height of about 2 to 6 meters in height. This plant blooms in late spring to late summer, and flowers comes in different colors such as pink, white, red color. The flowers produce a low pollen quantity, and pollination is very low. Its flowers does not produce nectar, and thus insects will not usually visit these plants, but its excellent fragrance and color of petals deceive some bees and flies, and thus they pollinate these flowers somehow. The fruits reach maturity in about 40 to 45 days after pollination, and the seeds per fruit will range from 40 to 300 in numbers. The main seed dispersal mechanism is through water during rainy season. This plant is drought resistant and high salinity resistant. It is prone to many pests and diseases just like other plants. Insects and moths such as oleander hawk moth, about which oleander hawk moth we have explained in one of our previous videos in detail. These caterpillar grow butterflies. Oleander happy oleander seed bug feed on these plants, and this plant is also prone to cucumber mosaic virus, strawberry latent ring spot virus, and tomato spotted wilt virus. These viruses affect this plant. A bacterial disease known as oleander scorch has become a serious threat to this plant. Oleander is a well known poisonous plant. All parts of this plant can be fatal, especially to children, animals like cattle, and pets. Animals like cattle, if they accidentally consume the leaves of this plant, they die. That's why even they are intelligent, they don't eat the leaves of this plant. In fact, it is so poisonous that just 2 to 3 leaves of this plant can kill an adult human. But why is this plant so poisonous? It's because various toxic substances present in this plant, oleandrin and nerin, are two very potent cardiac glycosides found in all parts of this plant. Cardiac glycosides cause irregular heart activity, which leads to death. Even though the plant is poisonous, we humans have found ways to utilize its medicinal properties. A decoction of these leaves is applied externally in the treatment of scabies and to reduce swellings. Oil prepared from the root bark is used in the treatment of leprosy and skin diseases. Seeds are used in the treatment of dropsy and rheumatism. This plant has got anti-cancerous properties. It is used to treat warts, cancerous ulcers and tumors. In 2011, Federal Drug Administration, that is FDA, concluded that it is safe to use oleander extract in the treatment of cancer. The extracts from this plant, plant parts such as leaves, roots have antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Besides, this plant has many other uses too, like the leaf extract of this plant can be used as a larvicide, but the major use of this plant is for ornamental purpose. This plant is one of the most widely cultivated ornamental plants in the world. It is planted on highways as road dividers and also in gardens, parks, roadsides and even along beaches and shores you might have seen. It is also used as a rat poison, insecticide or parasiticide. The leaves of this plant contain small amounts of latex that can be used to make rubber, and also a green dye is obtained from this plant. Last but not least, oleander is the official flower of the city of Hiroshima, because these flowers, these are the only flowers which have bloomed just after the World War II, after the nuclear bomb blasted in Hiroshima city. That's why they consider this plant as the official flower of Hiroshima city. Thank you for watching our video. Please let us know what should be the topic in our next video, and also please hit the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.